Hey, it's Barry here. Welcome to this video. Today's video is about passive income. So let's talk about passive income ideas. Before we begin, we need to figure out one thing. What is passive income? But that's not the right question. The question is, what is passive income to you? For me, passive income was never the goal. It was never the purpose of doing what I'm doing, or I never even looked for passive income. But if you look for the importance of passive income, yes, it's important for many reasons. But this is the thing. What is your reason and what is my reason? My reason would be different from your reason. So what is your reason, your purpose of passive income? And what do you call a passive income? So in order to read my viewer's mind, in order to read my customer's mind, and I want to know what people think about passive income, I went on and looked on our best friends, Google and YouTube. And unfortunately, what I found is the copy-paste, copycat things all over the internet. And everybody's talking about the same thing. Don't worry, we'll talk about one particular article that I found interesting. From there, we will decide how passive it can be, what do you need, and from time to time, with all these 27 passive income ideas, I will give you some of my free tools and softwares. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Did you like our video? Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will choose you as the first one to notify when we upload our next video. And we will also analyze this particular website, how they are making money. Are they making passive income or not? So let's jump in. So this website is about 27 passive income ideas. So they started with what is passive income. Go through if you want to, but I would like to ask you, what is passive income to you? Is it like you want to travel the world and still keep making money? That's okay. Maybe you just want to sleep all day, or maybe you just want to do bodybuilding and build your body, while money will come from another direction, which is still possible. Well, first, let's not talk about what is possible. Let's talk about what do you call a passive income? Now, in these kind of articles, we don't really read everything. We want to quickly jump on the ideas, passive income ideas. So here's the first one, real estate. Well, in my opinion, from my viewpoint, real estate could be one of the most passive income ever. Now, the problem here is you have to invest in real estate. Do you have that money? If yes, take a percentage of it and invest in real estate. Now, in most of the countries, multi-family assets will make you passive income the most. And they come with a lot of pros and cons. You want to learn about pros and cons before you jump on it, right? So simply search with pros and cons of multifamily homes. I would go for this one, pros and cons of multifamily investing 2021. Don't look at the pros, go for the cons. And check whether these cons will take your time or not. If they take your time and your effort, then it's not passive income. Now, by any chance, if these cons can be handled by you, still you call it a passive income, go for it. Now, how to start? Very simple. Spend money on talking to experts, specialists. How to spend money? There are experts who will give you time for money, who will do consultancy. You can talk to lawyers, you can talk to agents, and you can talk to mentors, but keep some money aside to consult these experts. Two things will happen. Number one, you will learn from direct professionals. And number two, they will try to sell you something, especially they will try to sell their services. Not only you will meet new people, but also you will learn how to make money like them, how to sell like them. What are other people buying that they are selling? Today, this may not be a big help to you, but tomorrow it will be. When you will hit your passive income goal, then you will have new interest of earning more. When you will learn from these experts about the industry you are getting involved in, then you can branch out your business and branch out your income, if not branch out your passive income stream. Okay, enough for real estate. Number two, get a high yield savings account. Now, I'm not going to talk about interest or savings account because I'm a Muslim, and for Muslim, interest, any kind of interest where I put money and I get more money out of it, without any effort, without any risk, just by agreement. This is completely forbidden, like pork, like wine, like alcohol, like extramarital relationships. It's even worse than those things. So I'm not going to talk about interest. If you have interest in interest, go all in and look for yourself. The world is living on interest. People believe in interest. So there are so many experts. If there is no limitations from your society or your religion or whatever you believe in, then look for experts and you can learn from them. But I'm not going to talk about interest or any kind of savings account or kind of like that. Even my bank account, from my bank account, I don't take any interest. Invest in dividend stocks. Number 3 is dividend stocks. Invest in dividend stocks. Well, dividend stocks are not free. So if you are struggling to make money online, or if you're not yet making money, or if you don't have enough savings to invest, then this is not for you. But if it is for you, then for this particular video, we will simply skip this one. We will go to number 4, buy or start a blog. Well, I am all in for this because starting a blog or buying a blog, yes, it is useful, but absolutely not passive. This is why I first mentioned you should define what's passive income to you. Now, in case you want to know how to make money from blogs, this itself is a blog. We're looking at a blog right now, right? And if you go to their traffic and analytics on SimilarWeb, yeah, they have 454,000 monthly visitors, which is very impressive, and they have a growing audience. But if you look at their traffic 84% coming from search engines, which means they have 2 things to do. Number 1, SEO, search engine optimization, which is a full-time job itself. And the company, I will call it a company, of course, that has 450,000 monthly visitors. They're extremely serious about what they're doing, and they have a growing traffic. They are extremely serious about what they're doing. So for SEO, they definitely have either a full team or a full system in place and a monitoring system to monitor the SEO system. I'm not even talking about the content creation or the content generation system, because they relentlessly have to create new contents and publish new contents to keep their spot on search engines to get all the traffic. Now, how are they making money? Because this video is about passive income. If this is a passive income, let's say somebody in the company is earning passive income. That person doesn't do anything, and that person's goal was to have or own a blog like this and earn passive income. If you look at that, then you will see a couple of things. One of them is you can create an account on something. So this is a blog, and they have some other services behind this blog. Let me check what that is. Click on this free offer. Anything you see big, bold, capital free, you know this is some kind of opt-in page or opt-in offer, some free offer where you have to put your email. So yes, wow, we're going to request an audit. So if you click here, request free audit, then you have to put your email address, then your store's address, and choose how many sales do you make per week. So they have a lot of ideas from you and your contact, and then they will start marketing. Now, this is so interesting, and this is something we want to look at. These bloggers are asking you to create, start, or buy a blog as a source of passive income. But not only they have an active blog which is super busy all the way through, but also they have free opt-ins, a service behind it. So they have a full company running where is passive income in it. And that's why I said at the beginning, it's you who should define what is passive income for you. Anyways, if you really want to build lists like them, you can turn any PDF into your opt-in page and your lead magnet and your viral traffic generation system, any PDF from a software created by me. Link in the description, you can go get it. This is it for now. See you in the next video. If you liked our video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. Now, number 5, get involved in affiliate marketing. So in case you don't know about affiliate marketing. For example, let's go to Warrior Plus, go to the affiliate section, go to offers, and then these are the offers. Choose the offer you want to promote as an affiliate and request. Click this button and request for your affiliate link. Once you get the approval, you can click this green button and this will be your affiliate link. All you have to do is to copy this affiliate link, use it anywhere or everywhere you want to promote this offer on, and drive traffic to that link. Or in other words, convince people to buy through your link. When someone will buy, you will get a credit and you'll make commissions. That's it. Now, it's definitely one of the easiest ways to make money online, in my personal opinion, because you don't need to create your product, you need to create a sales page, sales funnels, graphic design, sales copy, customer support, like lots of hassles. You don't have to do any of this, but you still make money. But still getting traffic, do you think it's easy? Well, if you have been involved in internet marketing and you know a little bit about traffic, you know it's not that easy to drive targeted traffic to targeted offers. Looking for a variety of products, you can go for Amazon affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, because they have a wide versatility of products. But is this passive income? I doubt it. But again, the definition of passive income is yours. Number 6, become a silent business partner. This can be passive income, yes, of course. If you have an active business partner running an active business, you know this business is profitable or you are not going to lose money, or at least you already made your investments from the profits. Super awesome. Let it run. Whatever money you make, it's passive income. But one thing I can tell you that you can do using this last 3 systems, which is starting a blog, get involved in affiliate marketing, and become a silent business partner. Well, you can have a business partner, start blogging, and this is the business model you can start right away. There is a website called Flippa where you can flip your ready-made, done-for-you blogs. You can sell, you can buy. Lots of people are buying and selling. Search for blog and check the website types blog. Well, keep everything else and see what people are buying and selling based on what. Now, the most interesting thing is here. If you filter your searches with minimum price range $100, then you will see, oh, by the way, you have to filter again or sort it by lower price, starting from lower price. So the lowest price will be shown on the top. So now here, this is one website. It is a blog, a simple blog, and the site age is under 2 years, which means under 1 year, it's a fresh, brand new blog. And they're selling it for $100 and there are already 2 bids. Another one, same $100, 1 bid. There are so many other websites, fresh new blogs with maybe PLR contents, maybe unique content, whatever they are, you'll get bids. So a lot of people are buying these brand new blogs from Flippa. For $100, everything is ready. They get some good contents, a niche blog, they get a good domain. You can partner up with active people and start blogging and flipping them on Flippa. With some auto blogging tool or plugin, you can generate content 100% free. Have someone tweak the content a little bit and make them unique, and your blog is ready to flip. For that, you should look for what type of blogs people are buying, what kind of content they're posting on those blogs, how many contents they're posting, big, large, image, videos, and make your websites a little better than the other people or other sellers or other flippers. And you'll be selling $50 to $100 blogs every single day. Creating these blogs will take an hour or so. So if somebody works for 2 to 3 hours, not you, your partner, then you can generate 2 to 3 blogs every day. And if you simply flip 2 blogs per day on the average, or even 1 blog for $1,000, 2 blog for $3,000, or even 10 blogs for $3,000, that's $100 a day. Passive income. Your job is to be in the planning and monitoring the production and management. Again, this comes back to what is passive income in your opinion. So we have covered 6 passive income ideas in this video. Link in the description will give you the best of the best tool to build list and start your blog right away with free content. Go get them, it's completely free. But in another video, we will continue the list and will give you better and better ideas. And from your concept of passive income, you will decide which one you want to take or whether you want to go for passive income stream or not. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. And we'll see you in the next video.